In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your existing account on the Cleo AI application. So let's get started right away. After installing the Cleo application on your device, open it up and you will see the Get Started and Login button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to go into Get Started to sign up for a new account. Otherwise, tap on Login. Now you have the option to log in with your Google account or with your email address. If you used your Google account to sign up with a shortcut in the first place, you will need to use the Sign in with Google feature. Otherwise, use the second option where you can type in your email address. After typing it in, tap on Sign in with email. And now you will be prompted to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just open up your email application and check your inbox. You will then find your verification code right away. After you enter the code, you will be taken forward to your existing account. Instead of entering the verification code, you can also click on Verify My Email, which will automatically copy and paste the code. After your login process is completed, you will be taken into your Cleo AI account. If you haven't already linked your main bank account, you will be prompted to do so. So you can click on the Connect Me option to proceed with linking your bank account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Cleo AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.